Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Pravin. In today's video, let us see how to create a URL Shortener application using Python programming. First open your editor, VS Code or PyCharm. Okay, if you are using ideally, unfortunately it doesn't work. So you should install this VS Code or PyCharm. Then you can start working. I am using VS Code. Create a new file in that, save it as .py. Okay, .py file. Okay, then it will work. And then here we should be installing a package um, called PyShorteners. Okay, pip install PyShorteners. Yeah, I have already installed, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, and then now we should install the Piper clip. Okay, pip install Piper clip, everything in short letters. Okay, sorry, I have wrote Piper's clip. Okay, that's the error I am getting. Okay, yeah, now it will install, and the requirement already satisfied because I have installed it already. Okay, and here I am going to type from PyShorteners. Okay, from PyShorteners import everything. Okay, and from Piper clip import just copy, that copy function, just that. And then if you usually see this bitly and bitly, those website, you see that in them they have some input box through which we can enter the long URL. Okay, very long URL, and there we should type the long URL, and if we enter, click on the enter button, it will generate the short URL. Like that, we should also get one input box. Okay, or input, just input. Okay, now I am going to type the long LOURL, simple, the, and then create an input and type the long URL, type the long URL. Okay, and then here I should give a server like thing or an engine like thing. First I am going to define it as shortener equal to shortener. Okay, Python is case sensitive, so you should care about this caps lock and those things. Okay, and then here I'm going to assign a value to a variable called short URL. Okay, short URL equal to shortener dot tiny URL dot short. Okay, this will shorten the link, that is long. Okay, that's it. We have completed in a very fast, and I'm going to type print, and I'm going to use an F string, which is a very interesting thing to use. We should type F and this one, double quotes or single quotes, and type the short URL of the input is short URL of the input is that F string we should give the value as short URL. Okay, short URL. And very interesting thing comes just now. If you see here, if you see the Google Drive, like Google Drive, no, if we generate a link, means it will automatically be copied in our keyboard, right? Like that we are going to do that. Okay, now we should do copy copy function, and here we should pass short URL. And for some customization, I am going to just type print um, link has been copied in the clipboard. Okay, that's it. We have completed our application, and let's just run this code. Okay, yeah, we are going to fetch a URL from the Chrome. There we get many images, right? That images contains that HTTPS, so it is very easy for us to short the URL. So let me give as nature images. Okay, and some custom image. This is the thing. Remember this photo, and the right click, copy link address, and here you should enter the long URL, and sure it will work. Okay, yeah, it work. And here the short URL of the input is https tinyurl.com, some characters. Okay, and here we are getting the print statement. Link has been copied in the clipboard. That means it should be copied. Then control V, it's working. It has been copied to our clipboard, and let's just check it in the internet. If I generate this, right, yeah, okay, the link address goes to this web page or this website iStock photos. In that, this image has been there. Okay, or if you want to just give the image, no, don't worry, you just type the long URL and give enter. Yeah, it has been generated, and control V, the link is there. If you see, this link and this link are same. Okay, and let me just go on the browser and do this. Control V. See here, we are getting the image. That means our URL shortener application is completed. And if you want to do this more, you are expecting, okay, this is just like this thing without that buttons, input box, and those things. You are wondering why we want to do this. I am just doing this to show you how to make the application functional. The next video we'll learn how to in the next video we will learn how to create that this URL shortener graphical user face application. Okay, that means we have buttons, input box, etc. We'll have that. That's going to be the real fun. Okay, for now this is enough, and I'll meet you on the next video. And until then, thank you and keep coding.